Everybody, I'm Chief Meteorologist Ken Weathers. Temperatures will be cool tonight, but most will actually see rising temperatures overnight into early on our Wednesday morning. Look at the plateau. We're close to 40 in Crossville, 44 in Jamestown, about 41 here in Knoxville. Now we still have wind chill values in the 20s and 30s, but we'll actually climb temperature-wise overnight. It's because of the gusty winds. They're going to be in that 15-mile-per-hour range when you head out the door, so don't forget the jacket. The low 40s will feel quite cool. Winds stay gusty through the day Wednesday, maybe near 30 miles per hour at times here in Knoxville, stronger across the higher elevations, and it will feel cool. Yes, this is above average at 54 degrees, but when you factor in that wind, it's going to feel much cooler, and temperatures should actually drop late afternoon into the evening as some colder air pushes in. 7 o'clock in the morning, a lot of cloud cover. That stays with us through midday, and then as that colder air comes in the afternoon, it tries to squeeze out a few sprinkles or light showers in spots. That'll be followed up by the colder air squeezing out some flurries or very light snow in a few spots heading into very early on our Thursday morning. Now, this is mainly just snow for the higher elevations, probably less than an inch in the Smokies and maybe a dusting in a few spots in southeast Kentucky, but it's just a sign of things to come in the sense we're going to see a roller coaster ride for our temperatures. Behind this system, it's much cooler Thursday, only in the 40s. We're talking low to mid 50s for Friday into Saturday. That's close to average. And then temperatures are actually dropping through the day on Sunday. I think we're actually going to end up in the 20s by the time we get to sunset Sunday and teens by the time we get to Monday morning. Now, we're not into record territory. That's 5 set back in 1914, but that's still well below average for this time of year.